Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello guys, how are you? Are you fine? I think you would be fine. So, you we were reading about Etibar trust, and now we are going to discuss on and to learn about Falsafi Nokar. Who was Falsafi Nokar and what the writer want to convey his message to us? Means what is the message of this chapter Falsafi Nokar? So let us first know that Falsafi Nokar means there was a servant who was just thinking pointless. He was thinking on great matter, but that was not related with this servant. If he was related with his job, so it will be good. But thinking beyond the bush and beyond its boundary, that is not proper. Okay, so there was a servant who was thinking about the world and about the creatures and about the corner wide and length of sky, such things, and he was not caring about the horse that was given responsibility by his owner. Okay, so he was doing something wrong, and by uh, irony it is used falsafi knocker. Okay, through irony the word falsafi knocker is not the real meaning, is not in real meaning, but as laughing at the servant, the writer has said the person, the no servant is philosopher. Okay, so let us start the chapter. You will understand what the writer wanted to convey his message. वंस एक मर्तबा का जिक्र है कि एक शख्स अपने बहुत प्यारे और तेज़ रफ्तार घोड़े पर सवार होकर किसी शहर के सराय में दाखिल हुआ. Once upon a time, it is mentioned that a person entered any restaurant of any city riding on his lovely and very fast horse. उसके साथ उसका नौकर भी था. There was his servant along with him. शाम के खाने से फारिग होकर सोते वक्त मालिक ने अपने नौकर से कहा. After dinner at night, in the time of sleeping, the owner said to his servant, "Ay Aziz Nachiz, O my lovely cheapless, no, O my lovely meanless and cheap servant, सुनने में आया है कि इस शहर के चोर बड़े बेदर्द और चोरी करने में निहायत दिलेर है. I have listened that thieves of this city are so merciless and they are very brave in stealing. So तू एक काम कर, then you should do a work. तू शौक से पाँव फैलाकर सो जा. You could sleep comfortably with leg spreading. मैं अपने इस कीमती और तेज़ रफ्तार घोड़े की खुद निगरानी करूँगा. I myself will take care of this expensive and fast running horse. Okay, I will take care of my horse. अपने आका की ये बात सुनकर नौकर ने जवाब दिया. Listening words of his owner, the servant replied, "ए मेरे मालिक, ओ माय लॉर्ड, ये तो निहायत बेहुदा बात होगी कि आका तो तमाम रात जागे और 2 पैसे का नौकर सारी रात आराम से सोए. ना साहब, ये नहीं होगा. ओ माय लॉर्ड, it will be very shitty it would be very shitty matter that the owner will get awaking and the meanless servant will sleep comfortably all night. No man, no mister, it won't be from me. आप इत्मीनान से आराम फरमाइए। यू कुड स्लीप कंफर्टेबली। और आपका ये नाचीज नौकर सारी रात जाग कर घोड़े की निगरानी और पासबानी करेगा। एंड यूर दिस मीनलेस सर्वेंट विल टेक केयर ऑफ एंड will guard and will take care of your horse awaking whole night. घोड़े की तरफ से आप इत्मीनान रखिए। बी कूल अबाउट द हॉर्स। नौकर की ये बात सुनकर मालिक को इत्मीनान हुआ और वो आराम से सो गया। लिसनिंग द वर्ड्स ऑफ listening words of his servant, the owner felt became satisfied. The owner became satisfied and he slept peacefully. एक पहर रात के बाद आका की आँख खुली। After a moment of night, the eyes of owner opened. Means the owner awaken at night. तो उसने नौकर से पूछा। Then he asked his servant, क्यों भाई, क्या कर रहे हो? ओ मिस्टर, what are you doing? मेरे मालिक, नौकर ने जवाब देते हुए कहा, इस वक्त ये ग़ुलाम सोच रहा है कि अल्लाह ताला ने ज़मीन को पानी पर क्यों ठहरा रखा है। ओ माय लॉर्ड, द सर्वेंट said, replying, this time this servant is thinking that why Allah Ta'ala has stopped the world, the land onto water. नौकर का ये जवाब सुनकर मालिक ने कहा, The owner said to listen as such answer from servant. ए बेखबर, ओ unconscious person, ओ negligent person, मुझे डर है कि तू यूं ही वाही तबाही सोचता रहा तो तेरी इस बेखबरी से फ़ायदा उठाकर चोर हमारा माल असबाब न चुरा ले जाए। Then owner said, listening reply of his servant, O negligent, I am afraid that if you will keep thinking such pointlessly, such pointlessly, then I afraid that taking advantage of your unconsciousness and your lashes thieves will steal our whole property. नौकर ने जवाब दिया। द सर्वेंट रिप्लाइड, अजी उनकी क्या मजाल है। ओ मिस्टर, ओ माय लॉर्ड, दे हैव नो पावर। आप बेफिक्र रहिए। बी कूल, और इत्मीनान से सो जाइए। एंड गेट स्लीप पीसफुल्ली। आका बेचारा ये तसल्ली आमेज़ बात सुनकर फिर सो गया। द पुअर and miserable owner slept again, listening these consoled mixed words. आधी रात के बाद फिर उसकी आँख खुली और पूछा। After midnight again his eyes opened and asked, ए बाखबर, अब किस फिक्र में है? ओ cheerful person, O aware person, now what are you thinking? नौकर ने जवाब दिया। The servant replied,